What's going on, Maniacs? We got to go to Sema this year. Again, yes, third year in a row. We spent 3 days there this year, did a lot of interviews, ran into some really cool people, some people that follow us, which was awesome.
It was cool.
It was cool.
Hey, this is your first time here. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. And let's get into this video.
Yeah.
Guys, well, here we are, Maniacs Garage. John, Ryan, Connor. We flew in this morning to Vegas. I literally got, I don't know, 45 minutes of sleep, I think. Just too excited, I guess. I don't know.
I slept pretty good. I went to bed early, so what can I say? I'm old.
Yeah. How about you? Sleep good? Look at that. Too cool. Too cool to talk. Too cool. Well, yeah, so we made it to Vegas, the Sema Show again this year, 2023. Kind of feels pretty different not having a car here.
Yeah, it does. Much less stressful.
Yeah, it actually feels really good. So we got quite a bit done today.
Yeah, we did quite a few interviews.
Did some cool interviews. How many, Connor? 3 interviews so far. Those are gonna come out on this channel later. Oh, got some boomage going on right here. Woo. What do we got? Let's go check it out. Yeah, check it out though. This is the mecca of crazy custom cars. Look at this tandem, crazy looking GMC lifted right over to a Lambo. Love the classic cool nail polish color. Love it. Love the triple roll tube on the old square body, man. Yeah, totally old school. Love it. Boom. That's big.
That's a big truck, dude.
Yeah, that's a pretty big truck. Right there. We're gonna be out here for the next 2 more days. Tomorrow we're gonna be signing in the Boxo booth. That's gonna be fun. Tonight we're gonna do some. Clubbing. Hey, aren't we kind of old for clubbing?
Yeah, but it's still
not
fun.
This kind of clubbing. Oh, that's a cool selfie stick right there, man. I like that. Woo! I kind of missed that though.
Yeah.
Last year we were right here in the Optima Streetcar Challenge. That was definitely a fun time. So, all right, let's see how the rest of this week goes. Well, boys, what do you guys think? Day 2 for us?
What do I think? Yeah.
Huh?
Get ready to go sign some autographs.
Yeah. It's nice, bright and early. People are barely moving right now. Last night, people partied a little too hard.
Yeah.
Not us.
Nah, we're good.
Yeah. It was a fun party, though. We went to the Sparco, Brembo, Magnaflow industry party. That was at the Marquee at the Cosmopolitan.
Yeah.
I've heard some pretty loud music in my life. That was definitely pushing the limits as far as.
I felt like my brain was shaking between my ears on some of those.
Yeah, I love bass like that,
Bass was
man.
hitting hard.
Hey, let's move on.
Good.
Let's move on. Forward.
I don't know, but it sounds awfully high.
I love McLaren.
McLaren, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, those lights. Dude, that is the way to travel.
Yeah, dude. That was awesome, man. We went down the strip. That was rad. We liked it, dude. We're gonna do it again for
Awesome,
sure, guys.
absolutely.
All right,
Thanks
man.
for
Have a
the
good night.
Save my legs, dude. I feel good.
That was worth every penny that you paid.
Yeah, dude. You know what? This has been a really good weekend, man.
It
It's
has
been a
been a
really
good
good day,
week, dude.
so loving it.
We did a lot of interviews today on the last day.
I know.
I was kind of
And then,
surprised by that.
You know, the cool thing is the way that they were just rolling one into the next one, you know, we were just walking up to guys and boom, something connected and we just
Yeah.
did it, you know? I think that was just a very cool thing.
Yeah, absolutely. Made some cool connections today too. Possible future work and collabs.
Yeah, man, and glory to God, you know, because we connected with some believers too, and it's cool,
Yeah.
you know, to kind of have that connection going. And these guys, some of these guys are pretty big names, you know, they do some
Yeah.
really cool stuff. So I think that we're going to be able to definitely do some collab work in the future. Amen. Hey,
Come here. Dude, what you got in the trunk?
dude, I got some t-shirts.
Maniacs Garage t-shirts?
Yeah, bro, Maniacs Garage.
No
shirt.
way.
You got some hats?
Ooh,
Dude, I even get a backpack. What you need, man?
that's
what you
nice,
Need? What
dude.
you need?
That is nice.
Yeah.
Need all of it.
Right on, dude. You guys can get this stuff at maniacs.com. Nope. Dude, you can get this stuff at maniacsgarage.com. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. And I already forgot what I was going to say.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video of all of our SEMA content.
And that's going to wrap up this video. If you guys stayed this far, then we want to send you guys a Maniacs sticker pack. So the first one that leaves a comment below, I will reach out to you and I will send you a Maniac sticker pack. Thanks for watching.
Hit subscribe.
Yeah, and nice.